Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I do hope you all are very well and fine, and I pray you must be enjoying your life. I am going to teach you the lecture of verb. What verb is basically? Verb is called an action word is called verb. We all know about this. Like eating, drinking, sleeping, all are called verb. What if I say we have got two kinds of verb to do and verb to be? डू व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डू मीन्स करना. सो जो भी काम हम करते हैं, कोई काम एक्शन हमारा इंक्लूड हो जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड वर्ब टू डू. एंड वर्ब टू डू में हमारा फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब्स या वर्ब आता है, लाइक ईटिंग, ड्रिंकिंग, स्लीपिंग. ये तमाम चीज़ें जो हैं, जितने भी वर्ब हैं वो वर्ब टू डू में आते हैं. एंड व्हाट अबाउट वर्ब टू बी? वर्ब टू बी के अंदर ऑक्सिलरी या लाइक हेल्पिंग वर्ब होते हैं, जिसमें इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वर एंड विल बी आर द बेसिक ऑक्सिलरी एंड बेसिक हेल्पिंग वर्ब. और जो इज, एम, आर, वॉज, वर और विल बी को यूज़ करते हुए जो हमारे जुमले बनते हैं, जिसमें एक्शन नहीं होगा लेकिन जुमला मुकम्मल हो जाएगा, उस वक्त हम इसको वर्ब टू बी एज अ स्टेटमेंट वर्ब कहलाएंगे. तो स्टेटमेंट वर्ब क्या होता है कि जुमला मुकम्मल हो गया और आपकी बात भी कन्वे हो गई, बट देयर इज नो एक्शन. एट दैट टाइम वी विल कंसिडर इट एज अ स्टेटमेंट वर्ब दैट इज कॉल्ड वर्ब टू बी. लेट मी गिव यू सम एग्जांपल फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस. इफ आई से आई एम अ टीचर, तो आई एम अ टीचर, इट completes the sentence and this is a statement. It is a statement and it is completing the sentence. But if I say I teach English, so when I say I teach English, the action is included. So there is an action, so it is verb to do, but there is no action and it completes the sentence. There is no action, so that is called verb to be, like I am a teacher. And let me give you one more example, like she is a chef. She is a chef is, it is completing the sentence, it is making a statement, and there is no verb. As it is, if I say chef cooks good food, so action is included, cook. So cooking is a action obviously, so that is called verb to do. I hope you got my point. So there are two kinds of verb to do, verb to be. Verb to be where action is included, that is called verb to do. But where action is not included but it completes the sentence or it makes the statement, that is called verb to be with the help of auxiliary verb is, mr, was, were and will be. Is, mr, as we know, it is used for present tense, and was, were for past, and will be for future. And there are four kinds of forms of the verb. So I would highly suggest you to make a chart of forms of the verb for your convenience in future, as I will inshallah very soon teach you passive tenses, active and passive. I have taught you active tenses, and inshallah ta'ala I am just going to teach you passive tenses, so it is easier for you to just remember the forms of the verb, because verb third form is required for perfect tenses and passive tenses. So make a chart, this is a homework. Make a chart of forms of the verb and practice and make some examples. So this is verb is called an action word is called verb, but it is verb to do, but there is no action but it completes the sentence with the help of auxiliary, it is verb to be. So I hope you got my point, and you have learned something from my lecture. If you are just liking my video, so just subscribe to my, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such informative video and lecture, inshallah ta'ala, and share with your friends and family. And I'll be coming soon, and I'll be making more videos for you guys for your convenience, because I have promised I will teach you English in an easiest way. So thank you so much for watching. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.